Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Alchemist's Midas Knuckles in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then go to Armory, search for Alchemist, and then click on Arms, and search for Midas Knuckles, which is right over here. You can choose to preview it by clicking it once, and then you can choose to either demo hero 2. If you want to go through with the purchase, just click on this green icon, which has its price tag on it, which will open the Steam market, and scroll down. Here are all the sellers of this product right now. So just click on buy now, then scroll down. And if you have enough funds, there will be an option called confirm or buy right here. As I don't have enough, there's an option called add funds. So I can't go through with this transaction right now. But if you have enough funds, you can go through with the transaction by clicking buy now right over here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!